the Gradual Report. Today we're going to be naming shit in the bathroom. I know that that's very boring, so we're going to be doing it in Serbian. How many things do you think I can name? Let's find out. Together! P.S. I'll be doing it in a speedo. Ooh la la.
Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report.
We're gonna point at things and we're going to name them.
Ovo je vrata WC. Ovo je WC. WC. Ovo ti je WC, pičku mater. Ovo je zaključimo vrata. Moraš zaključiti vrata da ti neko ne nađe kad udariš, znaš, kako se to zove, kurac u WC. Dupeni papir, evo ga, evo četku za dupe, dupeni četku, evo ga, ovo je smrđelo, da ne bude smrđelo, previše sam. A to je grozno, pičku mater. Peder! Ovo se zove peder. Ne, to nije peder, to je peškir. Peškir, peder, nema veze, isti stvar. Evo, to se zove tuš. Zove se tuš. Or shower, for those of us that are more apt in English. Carpet. Carpet on the toilet. Bath mat. Kako se kaže? Pičku materiju! Nemam pojma ujebote, pičku materiju, nemam kako se kaže! Gde pereš ruke u WC? Sink. Gledalo. Evo ti? Evo mene. Ugledalo. Fuck, man, I really don't know a whole lot of bathroom words, do I? Turns out, put me in a bathroom and ask me to name things in Serbian, and I don't know any of it. Put me in a room with a bunch of whores and tell me to make fun of them, and I could go on for miles. Days. Dobro. Šta je to? Neko sralo tu šao. A to je nešto prljavo!